Hey YouTube, how's it going today? I hope your day is going good. Got a lot of videos where I gotta edit for the travels and the trips. So what I figured I'd do is go over and show you all the equipment that I'm using on the road and just give you an idea of what I'm working with. I'm not going to go into any unboxing. I'm not going to go into anything of really how anything works on the video system that I've gathered up. All I'm going to do is show you what I'm using, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to flip the camera around and look at the equipment. I got it turned on the light so it kind of gives more light. The one behind my head, I had it on earlier, it's way too bright. So what I have going on here is I have my tablet that I do research on. I have my computer, my little laptop, and the editing software that I have is called Corral Video Studio. Right there. Anyway, that's that. Got a notebook to write down my ideas, write down like clip numbers and whatever to try to keep track of them. Transferring files from all of my different cameras will be a little SD card reader here. It's Insignia. It has regular USB and it has USB-C. And then I have a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's another Insignia. And then for video production, I have my GoPro 11 Black, a couple of batteries, the mic with the mic mod. For sound, I'm going to be using this Rode Wireless ME. And this is a transmitter, this is a receiver. I already have it hooked up. I haven't really used it yet, and I'm still experimenting. Up here, we're going to have the Insta360 tripod. I haven't used it. I got it yesterday. We're going to have this little guy here, which you can bend around and bend all over wherever you want to hold on to, like a chair or whatever you want. Like that, whatever. I got that. I got cords. And then here's the Insta360. Last night when I got it, all I did was I plugged it in to charge the battery, went through some settings. You have to download an app on your phone to activate the 360, which I did not know about. Whatever. Bought an extra battery for the 360. With the Rode mic system, they give you a couple of these cords. One has like 3. You're not going to focus, are you? That's all right. One has 3 deals, the other one has 4, and they give you 2 of them. So anyway, and then obviously for my drink, I have to have my sweet tea. I have another box back here. This is where I keep most everything. This is all my charge cords for the tablet, the laptop, the GoPro. And here is the charge cord for the 360. A little flap that comes over like that. Got a couple memory cards, and then in here is where pretty much all of this goes, and this, and this, and the batteries. So that is what I'm working with. Part of the reason why I got the 360 is because Marco got one, or I should say his wife got one for him, or something like that. So anyway, I am going to do some editing. I'm going to grab something to drink, grab my cup right here with my tea, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to throw out some videos, because the software is brand new, the laptop's brand new, and I'm trying to figure out how to run the software to do the videos. I have to still figure out the settings and all that other stuff on the 360 to figure out how that all works. So it's going to be a learning process. Oh yeah, by the way, I want a huge thank you for subscribers that have subscribed. You guys are amazing. You just shocked the heck out of me when I woke up in the morning and I had more and I had more and I had more, and the number of views is amazing, and it just totally blows me away. It really does. It's like you communicate with the world through some little weird video that you create, and it gets passed around the entire planet, and I don't know, I just think it's really cool. I'm sitting in a hotel today where I can have air conditioning, work on my stuff. I got a call from a gentleman about a load going from Wyoming, Cheyenne, Wyoming, which was only 112 miles from where I dropped off my load, all the way to New Mexico, or no, I'm sorry, Nevada. And now, as of like an hour ago, it's changed, where I guess we're going from Cheyenne, Wyoming to Ontario, Idaho. So we're not going to Nevada, which, whatever, it is what it is. It's part of the job. You just go wherever you can go and figure things out. And I'll throw a couple of videos up for something to watch. Okay, again, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.